There are few things more divine than a pizza. Amazingly, the mouth-watering cheesy goodness that offers a subtle crunch and a hint of sweetness makes for not only the perfect dinner, but lunch and breakfast as well. But throw a grill into the mix? Now that's a combination that would culminate in a flavor crescendo so intense that both Beethoven and Emeril Lagasse would be jealous. Cooking a pizza above hot coals can be tough, though, and it's something that, if handled incorrectly, can produce disastrous results for your precious pie. So what can you do? Well, one YouTuber compiled a how-to video that offers a step-by-step guide. See how he created the perfect grill-top pizza with just one surprising household item. Whenever you order a pizza, you expect to dig into a hot pie that came right out of the oven. See, that's just how pizza is usually prepared. But did you know that there's a better way to make your pizza, and it doesn't involve your oven at all? Believe it or not, you can use the grill in your own backyard. That said, it can be a challenge if you don't have the right materials. There's no set it and forget it when it comes to grilling up your homemade pie. The flames are far too hot and will likely char the bottom of your crust to the point that it's inedible, unless you employ one secret tool that you likely already own. That's where a YouTuber named Dave Hacks comes in. Knowing all of the potential problems facing pizza barbecuers, he offers up a simple grilling hack that produces the perfect grilled pizza pie every time. But first, he needs to show you what happens when you try grilling a pizza as if you would a burger. First, he loads up his grill basin with charcoal. Next, he grabs his lighting gel. This isn't a man who lets his pride get in the way of a good pizza, and this gel will make lighting those charcoals much easier. After applying the gel liberally, he lights the coals. Soon, the coals become white hot, and that's when the party really gets started. Dave Hacks spreads out the coals with a long stick and then places the grill grate over them. The bed has been made for the barbecue pizza. Only a few more steps remain before you can get cooking. For demonstration purposes, it's time for Dave Hacks to sacrifice a pizza for the greater good. To bring his audience understanding, and to show us the dangers of ill-prepared pies, he slaps a pizza directly onto the grill grate, just like he would a burger. A few minutes later, and disaster strikes. While the pizza may look ready on the surface, it's a total loss once Dave Hacks takes a look at its blackened underbelly. Flipping it over reveals the shocking and horrifying truth: cooking your pizza directly on the grill will burn it, rendering it inedible. This is where the surprising hack comes in. All you need is likely sitting in your kitchen. That's right, it's a muffin pan. The cups meant for the muffin batter, Dave Hacks explains, will capture heat from the coals and give the pizza's underside a much more reasonable distribution of heat. Using the muffin tin in the cooking process is easy too. Simply place it, bottom side down, on the grill grate and then lay the pizza on top. And that's it. You can cover your grill and wait for the cheese to melt and the bottom to crisp to perfection. You'll have to watch the video to find out exactly how perfect the pizza's crust turns out. It's a good reminder of the steps required to barbecue your pizza without charring it. By the end of the short video, you'll be ready to grill the perfect pizza in no time.